Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to add a video inside text using CapCut. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the CapCut app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, we need to create a project. So tap on New Project, and it will open your phone's media library on the screen. At the top of the screen, tap on Library. Once it opens, select a background. I will go with a black background, and from the bottom right, tap on Add. Once the selected background is imported onto the track, let's add some text. From the bottom menu, tap on Text, and then Add Text. A text box is added onto the track, and in this box, add some text. To make the text appealing, you can change the font style from this library. Then open the Style tab, and here you can adjust the text size by sliding the line and make the text bold or italic. Once everything looks good, tap on the check mark to apply the changes. Drag the text box on the track and set its position correctly, and also adjust its length by stretching from a side. Now, from the top right side, tap on the arrow icon to export. Once the video is exported, let's go back. Again, tap on New Project, and select a video that you want to use to add inside the text, and from the bottom right, tap on Add. Once the video is imported onto the track, from the bottom menu, tap on Overlay, and then Add Overlay. Select the exported text file from your phone's gallery, and tap on Add. Resize the text overlay in the Video Preview tab. Adjust the video length according to the text overlay, split the rest part of the video, and tap on the bin icon to remove it. Now, to add the video inside the text, from the bottom menu, swipe to the left and find the Remove Background feature, and tap to open it. Select the third option, which is Chroma Key. Tap on the color picker, and drag this circle over the color that you want to remove, and then set the shadow value to 100%, and also set the intensity value to 100%. You can see the selected color is removed. If everything is good, tap on the check mark to apply. Now let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can add a video inside the text in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.